a photograph of a boy. Mr. Ram said he is the only son of my mother. He is the son of the only son of my mother. Okay. So this is the statement given by Ram by pointing to a photograph. By pointing to a photograph, how Ram is related to the boy in the photo. Okay, this is blood relation. Yesterday we have completed this in the previous session. There is a photo. Ram is saying like that, and Ram said his mother's only son. Okay, and son is in the photo. So only son means no more child, only son, and Ram may be the son. Okay, because Ram is telling my mother. Okay, my mother. So Ram may be that only son. So the photo person is son of Ram. So Ram is father of that boy in the photo. Now I'm going to second problem. I'm going to second problem. Rita told Mani. Rita told Mani, the girl I met yesterday at the beach was the youngest daughter of the brother-in-law of my friend's mother. Okay, youngest daughter of the brother-in-law of my friend's mother. Okay, so Rita is there. Rita's friend and friend's mother. Okay, and her brother-in-law. Her brother-in-law and brother-in-law's youngest daughter. Brother-in-law's youngest daughter. Okay, this is what she is telling. The question is, how is the girl related to Rita's friend? Okay, the relation between Rita's friend and the girl is the question mark. Now, if you see Rita friend's mother, brother-in-law means this mother is having a sister, younger sister or elder sister. Mother is having, Rita's friend mother is having a sister, elder sister or younger sister. Her husband is called brother-in-law to Rita's friend's mother. Okay, so uh, this youngest girl is the daughter of this sister. Okay, Rita mother, friend's mother's sister, daughter or brother-in-law daughter is this youngest daughter. Okay, so in this way, the youngest daughter and Rita's friend, they are called as cousins, not directly brothers and sisters, but uh, Rita friend's mother's brother-in-law's daughter. Okay, so it is cousin, relative, but this youngest daughter is not relative of Rita, but relative of Rita's friend. Relative of Rita's friend. Okay, we cannot call aunt because they are of same generation. Youngest daughter and friend, they are of same generation. We cannot call aunt, and we cannot call daughter because they are same generation. We cannot call friend because they are relatives. So possibility is cousin. In that way also it is cousin. If you see the diagram also, it is getting satisfied, cousin. I'm going to the next problem. Introducing a boy, a girl said. Okay, a girl is introducing a boy. A girl is introducing a boy. He is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. Okay, now this girl is having an uncle, and the father of the uncle. Okay, girl is having uncle, father of the uncle, and daughter of that person. Okay, daughter of that person, and the son of the daughter. Son of the daughter. Okay, if you see, according to the statement, I have drawn some diagram. Introducing a boy, a girl said, he is the, okay, son of, he is the son of daughter of father of my uncle. Okay, this girl is telling my uncle. Uncle's father's daughter's son. Okay, so if you see here, there is a possibility of this daughter and uncle being brothers and sisters. Okay, father is having two children. They are this daughter and the uncle of the girl. Okay, so this daughter and uncle may be brothers and sisters. In that case, this daughter may be mother of the girl. This daughter may be mother of the girl. There is a possibility because they are brothers and sisters, uncle and daughter. So this daughter may be mother of the girl. So mother's son is directly the brother. Okay, they are from the same house. So this boy, the girl introduced the boy. The boy is directly brother of the girl, but instead of telling a single sentence, she is telling a long story and giving a quiz to identify. Okay, so it cannot be nephew, uncle, son-in-law because they are of same generation. Yes, what I have explained is, we have a statement D is the brother of B. How B is related to C? Okay, to answer this question, which of the statements are necessary? The first statement says, son of D is the grandson of C. I have drawn the diagram. Second statement says, B is the sister of D. Already this sentence is repeated in the question itself. D is brother of B. Using the second statement, we can just identify whether B is male or female. B is male or female using the second statement. Okay. If the question is how C is related to B, directly we can say C is father of both B and D. C is father of both B and D. We can just answer, conclude only statement 1 is required will be the answer. Okay. If question is like this, if question is how C is related to B. But our actual question is how B is related to C. We have to say whether B is daughter or son. We have to say whether B is daughter or son. Okay, in that case, we need the second statement in order to identify whether B is male or female. So both statements 1 and 2 are required. And the final answer is B is daughter of C. B is daughter of C. Okay, based on the question asked. With this, blood relation is completed. With this, the subtopic blood relation is completed.